With Allah by my side, nothing is impossible. It's a quote that I always instill in myself to always have a courage to deal with everything. So because of this quote, I never afraid to do something what I want, and I never have I'm never afraid to do something new. So before I end my presentation today, I want to say thank you so much to the audience, because I want to say thank you so much to the audience for your paying attention to me. So feel free